and uber-powerful vehicles, from the progressive to the inspiring. So sit down, strap in, and prepare to experience the latest in tech toys. Coming up on this episode of TechToys 360, discover how a jet redesign pushes aeronautic engineering to new limits, cutting-edge fireplaces, an innovative Swiss watchmaker that thinks outside the face, and an iconic American supercar is reborn. Out of a brilliant blue sky, it emerges. Its unique, purposefully crafted lines immediately grab the attention of those fortunate enough to catch a glimpse. Its wing-mounted engines elicit looks of wonder and amazement. Its agility and dexterity in the skies are a sight to behold. A sports car in the sky. And for those lucky enough to experience flying in its remote-controlled cabin, it's refined air travel. The Hondajet reimagines the business jet from the wheels up, an aviation game-changer. The new Hondajet is over a decade in the making by auto giant Honda, and the time has been well spent. The result of years of advanced computer research, technological innovation, prototype testing, and human ingenuity is the world's most advanced light business jet. TechToys 360 traveled to Greensboro, North Carolina, to tour the massive facilities dedicated to the cutting-edge Hondajet. For Hondajet CEO, Mr. Fujino, it's been a process that has taken over a dozen years in the making.
Actually, I graduated from the aerospace engineering. Unfortunately, in Japan, there are very few opportunities for aerospace engineer to design the airplane from scratch. I worked for Honda about 2 years after I joined, and one day my boss came to me at lunchtime, and he said that Honda decided to start the airplane project, so you will be transferred next month.
Mr. Fujino pushed the project through multiple stages to create a revolutionary product.
I couldn't even mention that I work on the airplane to the family. And, even the other division of Honda didn't know Honda has airplane research.
The Hondajet's most striking feature is the unique over-the-wing engine configuration. Mr. Fujino recalls his first sketch on the back of a ripped calendar.
I tried to look for a new idea for long, and one day when I went to the bed, and when I about to sleep, I suddenly came up with a new idea that we may be able to put the engine over the wing. I couldn't find paper, so I tear the calendar on the wall, and the back side of the calendar, I draw the sketch.
Dreaming the impossible, then executing it.
When the Hondajet is rolled out from the hangar, I couldn't see the Hondajet outside until then. It was a very emotional moment for me.
The mounting of the two fuel-efficient GE Honda HF120 turbofan jet engines above each wing has the dramatic effect of greatly reducing drag, which increases airspeed and fuel efficiency.
Found the optimum position relative to wing so that we can reduce drag, but we can take advantage of engine mount location, and we can maximize cabin.
And beyond the performance effects, the wing-mounted engines look radically cool to even the most seasoned of air travelers. Hondajet's cooperation with GE has yielded a powerful engine that delivers across the board.
This engine is designed by GE Honda joint venture, and the uniqueness of this engine is that they pursue the high fuel efficiency with lightweight.
Honda has rewritten the benchmarks for performance, quality, and efficiency in the skies. The natural laminar flow for the wing and fuselage design was developed by Honda over years of extensive analysis and wind tunnel testing. The Hondajet wing is constructed of machined panels from a single sheet of aluminum.
For Hondajet design, I decided to use a machining process That means the upper skin is machined from one piece material. So we don't have any rivet, we don't have any bonding, so we can greatly reduce parts count, and also we can achieve very smooth wing surface.
Natural laminar flow design principles were also applied to the Hondajet's fuselage nose to reduce drag by about 10% over comparable jet configurations. They've blazed a new aeronautic path with the construction materials. When it comes to the fuselage, the Hondajet eschews aluminum in favor of a lighter yet super strong carbon fiber composite. Developed from a cutting-edge combination of co-cured integral structure and honeycomb sandwich structures, the fuselage design and materials allows for increased cabin space, better performance, and greater fuel efficiency. The Hondajet has curves in all the right places, all of which were created for practical reasons.
There is no curve I cannot explain. Every curve has a meaning. Like I try to minimize drag or try to maximize the interior volume, and I want to combine the best shape.
The notable small bump shape in the cockpit serves to increase pilot headroom and is indicative of the attention to detail that is paid to every inch of this cutting-edge jet. The Hondajet's advanced airframe design has the dual effect of reducing noise both in the cabin and on the ground when the jet passes overhead.
If you could mount the engine over the wing, we don't have any direct transmission of noise or vibration from wing to the fuselage. That's why Hondajet cabin is extremely quiet.
Imagine a jet company that concerns itself with ground-detected noise and can actually do something to reduce it. Hondajet tops its class in numerous areas of performance. It has a maximum cruising altitude of 43,000 feet, allowing it to fly safely over virtually all dangerous weather conditions. Its range is an impressive 1,180 nautical miles, with 4 passengers and crew, and it boasts a takeoff distance of less than 4,000 feet and a landing distance of less than 3,000 feet, allowing it to reach airports many business jets could not. The Hondajet's advanced performance capabilities run through every inch of its frame. It can climb at a mind-boggling 3,990 feet per minute while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This Wonderjet emits less nitrogen dioxide than other light business jets, allowing it to reach a green profile other companies can only dream of. The Hondajet's state-of-the-art design cockpit enables single-pilot or dual-pilot operation. For passengers, the Hondajet goes high-tech with its remote-controlled cabin, allowing for easy manipulation of everything from climate control, audio and lighting to the video system, even raising and lowering the shades. So whether it's passengers marveling over the remote-controlled features in the cabin, pilots raving about the Hondajet's mobility and responsiveness in flight, or the multitude of technological innovations and enhanced fuel efficiency, this jet is poised to set a new benchmark in the world of aviation. Coming up next.